सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।
This is the SHIFTCAM 2, a compact multi-lens phone case that helps you take that perfect shot without all the heavy gear. It is the most lightweight and convenient way to capture your memories, just the way you want to remember them. Just shift, point, and shoot. The SHIFTCAM 2 allows you to slide and snap between 6 camera-enhancing lenses in one portable iPhone case. Wide angle to help you photograph the world just as you see it. Telephoto. Who knows? You may find yourself seeing much, much more. Fisheye. See everything from a different perspective. Macro. You're never too old to make new discoveries. Compatible with any stabilizer, you can wave goodbye to all limitations. We've even added an extra function, a wide-angle lens for your front-facing camera. So now you can see even more of you and your friends. Of course, this got us thinking, what else could we do with a phone case that can easily adapt? Now introducing SHIFTCAM's Pro Range, our hero set of interchangeable professional-grade lenses. Building on top of our patented and award-winning slide and snap mechanism with over 15 years of optical design experience. These are, hands down, the highest quality professional lenses for mobile phones to date. At SHIFTCAM, we're all about pushing the boundaries when it comes to shooting with your phone. They say the best part of memories is making them. We say the key to creating them is right there in your pocket. Be a part of the SHIFTCAM fam and help us take SHIFTCAM 2.0 to the next level.
Introducing the View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell. The idea is simple. Whenever motion is detected on your doorstep, our invention will notify your phone and give you a live video feed or image of your visitor through the wide-angle 180-degree HD lens.
Oh, hey man, how's it going? Come on in, the party's just getting started in the backyard. Oh, cool, sounds good. See you here.
You can see who's at your door from anywhere. It's not just about convenience, but also protecting your home and family.
Hey, what do you guys think you're doing?
And you have a recorded video or snapshot to give to the police. You can also chat with people at your door while you're away from home.
Hello?
Hi, I've got a package for Debbie.
I'm not home right now. Could you leave it on the porch?
Alright, sounds good. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
The View Doorbell is so easy to use. It has a frustration-free setup. It's so user-friendly that everyone can use it, even kids and grandparents.
Hey son, we'll be right there.
Hey, Uncle Mike.
Hey bud, how you doing?
It can be installed in less than 5 minutes and connects directly to your home Wi-Fi, making it possible to receive the live video feed through the Equus app from wherever you are. Unlike home security systems, the View Doorbell has no monthly fee and operates with a rechargeable battery. Whether you like entertaining, want more safety for your family, are away from home, or just want to see who's on your doorstep, The View Doorbell is a life-changing solution. With your support, together we can make our product come alive. We can put the View Doorbell into full-scale production and deliver it to your door soon. The View Doorbell, the world's smartest video doorbell, at your fingertips.
Hi, I'm Gihan and this is Aman, and we started Ministry of Supply about 5 years ago right here in Boston. So we know a thing or two about being cold all the time. We tried everything, puffy jackets, tons of layers, and none of it worked. So we decided to invent something better, much warmer.
It's an intelligent heated jacket, our most ambitious project ever.
So to create the intelligent heating system, we started off with 3 carbon fiber heating elements. The system is controlled by our custom chip, which allows us to integrate our temperature sensors, like accelerometer, and also communicate to an application over Bluetooth. To use the jacket, it's super simple. You just plug in this USB battery, and the jacket is an automatic mode. To control the temperature, simply turn the heat up or down, or leave it just as is. The way our machine learning algorithm works is, it looks at what is the temperature that you want maximum heat, and then what's also the temperature at which you want the jacket to shut off. Based on your input, we can create the ideal performance model for you. And over time, the jacket will learn your preferences, so it'll get better the more and more you use it.
I think one of the coolest moments is when you take our most recent sample and you pick it up and it automatically turns on, or even cooler is when you walk outside and it automatically turns up. And this idea that it knows what you want before you can even tell it.
It has a 2-layer waterproof breathable membrane. It allows your vapors to pass through, but not rain droplets. It has 100-gram recycled polyester insulation, which actually provides a little bit of odor control because it has coffee grounds embedded in it. There's also a very low-profile waterproof zipper, as well as a durable water repellent to keep the jacket dry. We wanted something that looked just as comfortable in the city, but also had the protection from the mountain. To keep a really clean profile, we use ultrasonic baffling to keep the insulation in place. It also allows the whole garment to stretch, which is really key. The jacket also features an easily removable lid. It has a Qi charging mat, so if you take your wireless smartphone, slide it into the smartphone pocket next to it, it'll automatically start to charge.
It's taken us a few years of dozens of prototypes, countless hours of garment development, but also kind of technology development to figure out how to create each of the components for these, hundreds of wash cycles on the machine to make sure that heating pads don't erode, color fastness tests, washability tests, everything you can imagine to figure out how to make each of these components so that when we bring it all together, it's truly both beautiful and indestructible, which is a tough combination to find.
This is the first time that we felt we could actually create a garment that got better the more you used it, and make a garment that does a better job at what you want it to do. So with the jacket, it's keep you warm. That's what the future of kind of wearable technology should be. It can seamlessly work into our day, and in many cases anticipate the functionality that we need.
We launched Ministry of Supply 5 years ago right here on Kickstarter, and we're back again to launch the next phase of our company. A wearable tech item that actually has a positive impact on your life and gets better over time. And we need your help. We need your help to launch this initial product, and it would mean the world to us if you could back our project, share the message, and just help us bring this vision to life. Come join us.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल टेक कन्वर्जन को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी सभी नई वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे। और अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना ना भूलें। इसके अलावा शेयर कीजिएगा अपने सभी दोस्तों और फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ